Good morning and welcome to Share Market Mike. Aarti Drugs had announced their buyback sometime back. Now they have released their letter of offer along with the dates for this buyback. We will quickly go over the dates and also see how to apply for this buyback through Zerodha. Before proceeding any further, if you find our videos useful, kindly support us by hitting the like, subscribe and share button. A quick background on the buyback offered by Aarti Drugs. The offer was to buy back 6 lakh shares, which constitutes around 0.64% of the entire equity shares. The record date fixed was April 1 and it was through tender offer route. Tender offer route means the eligible shareholders have to tender their shares to participate in the buyback. The price fixed was rupees 1000. The current price of this share is 725, which means the buyback price is 37.9% premium. Now on the dates, buyback opens on April 27th, which means it is already opened now. Buyback closes on May 10th. Is it mandatory for all the shareholders to participate in this buyback? The answer is no. If you are an eligible shareholder as per the record date, you may or may not participate in this buyback. It is your prerogative. So if I am a eligible shareholder, how can I tender my shares? We have to tender our shares through the stockbrokers. Stockbrokers like Zerodha has a simple option in their website to do this tendering. You have the console app of the Zerodha. The link is on the screen. So once we log in into this console website of the Zerodha, we have to go to the portfolio link, and under the portfolio links, we see something like the corporate actions. While we click the corporate actions, we get a page where we can see the buybacks and all the list of the companies that are currently doing buybacks listed over there. Aarti Drugs is also listed. So once we click on that link, we can tender the shares that we need. We need not tender all our shares. We can tender how much we want to, but we have to stick to the rules, that is the number of shares that we held as on the record date. So the next question is, will the company buy back all the shares that I am tendering? The answer is no. The company would have calculated an entitlement ratio, that is the guaranteed number of shares that they will buy back. Only if there is less demand or less participation in this buyback, they may consider buying extra shares from us. So the next question would be, how will I get the payment? Once the tendering process is complete, the company will make the payment directly into our banks, the bank accounts that which we have registered with our brokers. With this, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for your time. If you find our videos useful, kindly support us. Thank you.